So today we're putting in a little residential size, little mini wine cooler unit. It's a Whisper Cool equipment. It's a Copeland condensing unit. There was already an existing unit here, nothing lined up the exact same. Another guy already got the work started here, got the line set coming out of the wall. I gotta bring that across, bring it down, come tie into the unit, do the old sight glass floor dryer setup. I'm gonna take a look inside. So here's the evaporator unit. The liquid and suction lines are already tied into the flare. This has a pump down solenoid. So this unit just gets wired hot, and when the thermostat satisfies, the solenoid closes, compressor continues to run, starts to get to a low pressure, and the pressure control on the condenser shuts the compressor off. Whenever there's a call for cooling from the thermostat, solenoid opens up and it allows that pressure to run over to the condenser, and the unit will start again. So we're going to start by getting the line set all piped in and brazed up. All right, so I can braze up the line set to the condenser. My little magnet here, I can open up that solenoid. There, you hear it click. That way I don't have to power up this solenoid, and I can work on this while the vacuum pump's running. Okay, we got our drain done. So there's a piece of 1/2-inch vinyl that connects to the drain pan, and they wanted a T for a vent. So there's a stub of this vinyl down into the 3/4 PVC. Ran that along. I still have to remove the old clamps. They just used vinyl tubing before, and that runs all the way along over to a floor drain. Now, our pressure test. See, we've been 48 minutes, and I'd say we're pretty good. That's probably leakage through the hoses. I do need some new washers, but I'm gonna call that good. All right, I'm drinking on the job again. I got a fine 1986. No, I'm just kidding. This is the bottle probe. So this is essentially the thermostat. So you fill this with water. This cork gets in there, and then you put this on the old wine shelf, and then that ties into the indoor evaporator control, and it'll keep proper temp. All right, I don't think we're gonna do much better than that. Okay, so we're looking at a low superheat right now. The suction pressure is a little low, but I do have the condenser coil blocked partially. We're only 53 degrees right now on the condenser side. On the full sight glass right now, I have tweaked the expansion valve a couple times, but I cannot get that superheat to increase. But my high side pressure is slowly climbing, and ever since I blocked the evaporator. So I think what I'm going to do is let this guy run overnight and let everything kind of stabilize. We've got a warm box right now. It's about 61. And I think I'm gonna be better off to adjust that expansion valve once that comes down to temp. And then this garage will warm up a little bit overnight. I've had the garage door open all day, so it's a little chilly in here. We'll check back in tomorrow. Okay, we're back today. I got the smart probes hooked up instead of full gauge set. Looking pretty good. Got our box is at 54 degrees. Should be 55. I have it turned down so that I can run a test on it. Right now we're looking at, that would be our discharge air temperature. That is our condenser temperature. Superheat is at 20. And some cooling's all around there. It's been as high as 6. As low as like 1.9, something like that. That's not a real critical measurement. I'm pretty happy with all those readings. Everything turned out pretty good. Line set, the holes are all mortared up. Take a walk inside. Okay, this is our indoor unit. A pretty well made unit. I'm not used to working on things this small. Haven't done something like this in a long time. This small. But it was a fun little install. That's about it. That'll wrap it up for this one. Thanks for watching.